The 10 deadliest animals. Number 10. The hippopotamus. Kills 500 people a year.
Damn.
Weighing up to 3.5 tons and with slicing teeth.
Ugly
When
as
roused, hippos can
fuck.
sprint towards their enemies at 20 miles an hour. People living in rural Africa are most at risk, with many attacks caused when females feel their young are under threat. Number 9. The tapeworm. Kills 1,200 people a year. Often consumed when eating undercooked meat, tiny tapeworms can cause
That's why I want my shit well done.
Often found
Fuck
in
out of
pigs,
here with that
tapeworm
medium
eggs
rare
enter
shit.
the body on pork products before hatching. Larvae then travel through the body, infecting the central nervous system.
Is this shit?
One of the most common causes of epilepsy in developing countries, the disease can result in blindness, seizures, and dementia. Number 8. The scorpion. Kills 3,200
Get over
people
here!
a year. With 50 varieties of scorpions posing a threat to humans, an estimated 1.2 million people receive stings each year. With over
Damn.
3,000 dying from the arachnid's deadly punch.
So fucking
Symptoms
mean.
including convulsions and frothing at the mouth can occur just 4 minutes after being stung. One of the most deadly scorpions on Earth is the Arabian fat-tailed scorpion, whose victims can
That
die
nigga
within
just
just
looking for
7
somebody to
hours
fuck
of
up.
being treated. Number 7. The assassin bug. Kills 13,000 people a year.
The fuck
The
is that
so-called
shit?
kissing bug attacks humans while they sleep, sucking blood from the face before leaving feces near the wound.
What?
Parasites left behind get into the wound, travelling to the heart, where they slowly damage it for up to 20 years.
What?
The fourth biggest killer in Latin America, 30% of people infected with so-called Chagas disease will eventually develop heart disease, potentially resulting in cardiac arrest.
Hate
Number
bugs.
6. The tsetse fly. Kills 30,000 people a year. Found solely in Africa,
What
the
do you
tsetse fly
do?
leaves behind a parasite that infects its host with sleeping sickness. The disease triggers a series of feverish symptoms until the parasite invades the central nervous system.
Like,
Sufferers
why do
become
we need all
confused,
this shit?
often struggling to walk and talk. Attacking the brain and other vital organs, the parasites cause mental impairments, comas, and heart failure. Number 5. The dog. Kills 54,450 people a year.
Damn!
Despite high-profile news reports of dogs mauling people to death, the most common cause of dog-related deaths is through the spread of rabies. Once in the body, the virus makes its way to the spinal cord and
What?
brain. Victims are prone to aggressive behavior, becoming sensitive to light, and develop a phobia of water. The virus eventually kills through excitotoxicity, killing the nerve cells by overstimulating neurotransmitters.
This
This
is good
process
to
can
know.
lead to traumatic brain injury and strokes. 99% of rabies cases are caused by dog bites. Number 4. The roundworm. Kills 60,000 people a year. Entering the body through contaminated
Gross!
food, drink and soil, roundworms cause the illness Ascariasis. The worms move around the body, living in the intestines, the throat and gut. Victims often don't realize they are infected until they see the worms moving in their feces or vomit. Causing a huge loss in appetite, many victims die from undernourishment. Alternatively, a
Aw.
mass of worms can collect in the intestines.
All these
causing the
fucking
organs,
parasites be
triggering a
like
huge
doing the
outbreak.
most
Number
kills
3.
out of everybody.
Snakes. Kill
That's pretty
100,000
vague.
people a year. Around 5
Like,
million
which
people
snake,
are
nigga?
bitten by a snake each year, with 100,000 of these proving fatal, and up to 300,000 bites leading to amputations and disabilities. The venom can cause death in a number of ways, from paralyzing the respiratory system to disrupting the blood system, resulting in fatal hemorrhages. However, many snake-related deaths, particularly those in developing countries, go unreported, with many unable to seek medical help.
Aw.
In parts of Africa, one vial of
Mean!
antibiotic can cost the equivalent of several months' income. Number 2. The freshwater snail. Kills 200,000 people a year.
A snail?
Nicknamed snail fever, schistosomiasis
Snail
is a
fever?
disease carried by freshwater snails. Humans are infected by the illness when larvae that live on the snail shells enter their bodies while they swim in
What
contaminated
the
water.
fuck?
The outcome of an infection can vary dramatically. While some parasites tear the bladder of their victims, leading to bladder cancer,
Oh my
others
god.
tear the abdomen, leading to colossal bleeding. However, the most common causes of death are kidney failure and excessively vomiting blood. Number 1. Mosquitoes.
Of
Kill
course.
755,000 people a year.
They kill more than that.
Having already killed half the people who ever lived, the malaria virus is spread through the mosquito's deadly bite. Infected mosquitoes pierce human skin to suck their blood, smothering the wound in parasite-ridden saliva. These parasites invade the liver and bloodstream,
I
destroying
fucking
oxygen-carrying
hate mosquitoes,
cells,
man.
thus preventing normal bodily functions. Victims become feverish, their brains swell, and they slip into convulsions and comas. Half of the world's population is at risk of dying from a mosquito bite, with one child killed every 60 seconds.
All time tens. That's the name of them. But this is my first reaction video. I literally just learned how to do this shit. I watched a YouTube video. I think like a 9-year-old girl did a video on how to do it, and she actually helped me. So I don't think I know how to edit this shit. So I don't know. We're gonna see. But like I said, bear with me. We're trying to get better. Fucking like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want me to react to next, or what you want me to just, like, what do you want to see next? And we'll go from there. Booyaka.